You can't just blame him. Jenna Bush Hager calls Barack Obama a bad influence on dad George W. Bush after viral moment blow up family group chat. George W. Bush has more fans than for 16 years after concluding his second term as President of the United States. In fact, several people online now look forward to his public appearance and the shenanigans that are likely to be caught on camera. The 43rd Commander in Chief has developed a reputation for his playful mannerisms in recent years, most notably when he shared candy with Michelle Obama during a funeral for his father, former President George H.W. Bush in 2018. The transition of power from President Joe Biden to Trump was no exception. During the Republican nominee's second inauguration on January 20, Bush was seated in a row with former Democratic President Barack Obama and Bill Clinton as his fellow GOP nominee took the oath of office and delivered his first speech in the Capitol Rotunda in Washington, D.C. The fiery pose from the apprentice showman was met with applause from supporters gathered in person and then a mix of blank stares and concurred expression from other social media users joked that the Texans' silly moment may have been the work of narcotics as described by Twitter user George Bush looked like he's high as sit and the giggles at the inauguration, and I adored that about him. His daughter, who shared a different response the following day. Today, with Jenna and friends, show co-host Jenna Bush Hager said the viral gifts were also popular among their family. This is it. This is the last George W. Bush, she said the amusement of her co-hostess on January 21. Everybody has been talking about yesterday's inauguration, but you all already guessed what moment has been blowing up our family group chat. My dad went viral for this cutaway shot during yesterday's broadcast. Bush Hager said the internet is obsessed with this little simile and goofy expression. He must have made eye contact with somebody. She even joked, you guys, you can't just blame him because it looks like my dad was also seated next to a bad influence. He goes viral for basically anything. He didn't do anything. I mean, that's what his face looked like. The public had already been put on notice about the potential for antics that could arise as video of a staffer asking Bush 78, are you going to behave? Surfaced ahead of the ceremony. After the swearing in ceremony, Obama was jokingly asked, did he behave, sir? With the simile, he responded, just barely. The unlikely friends won't be making any more viral moments, as Hager Bush comically promised her dad won't be around anymore now that inauguration has passed.